Banish blackheads with simple home remedies. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Let's begin. Welcome to our tutorial on a highly effective home remedy for banishing blackheads from your nose. Let's dive right in. Blackheads can be stubborn, but before you consider squeezing them, try this gentle yet powerful approach. First, you'll need to gather a few natural ingredients: honey, lemon, baking soda, and a small bowl. Start by cleansing your face thoroughly. This removes any surface oils and dirt, preparing your skin for the treatment. In your bowl, mix a tablespoon of honey with half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Honey acts as a natural antibiotic, while lemon helps in tightening pores. Apply the mixture to the affected areas on your nose. The sticky consistency of honey pulls out the dirt and grime from the pores. Leave it on for about 15 minutes. During this time, honey's antibacterial properties get to work, while lemon's acidity helps clear the pores. Rinse off with lukewarm water. You might already see a difference, but we're not done yet. Next, take a small amount of baking soda and mix it with water to form a paste. Baking soda is a natural exfoliant. Gently apply this paste to your nose. It's effective in removing dead skin cells and unclogging pores. After applying, let it sit for about 10 minutes. Be sure not to leave it on too long as it can dry out your skin. Rinse off with cold water. This helps close the pores, locking in the cleansing effects from our treatment. Repeat this process once or twice a week. Consistency is key to keeping blackheads at bay. And there you have it, a simple, natural remedy for clearing blackheads from your nose. Remember, gentle care and patience will yield the best results. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. See you next time.